Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. We are currently on a trip, and so for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how we disinfect whenever we travel. So if you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. Stick around because I'm here to pass it on. So we just finished checking in and we have placed all our things here in the room, and before we could stay here we have our own disinfection process. So we disinfect the room first with the UVC light, and then afterwards we turn on the air purifier. We know that the resort, they already have their own safety protocols, but we have ours as well. So we are about to have our dinner, and as usual, we disinfect the area first before dining. So what we normally do is I go ahead to make sure that the area is disinfected. So let's go. The family is finally here. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hey there. So I am here once again in advance party to make sure that the area is disinfected, the table is disinfected. And what we normally do with the glasses, we wipe them. I have here Lysol wipes, and for the utensils and the tablecloth, spray it with alcohol. And so later on, the family will arrive here and Real is left behind to make sure that the room is disinfected again. So he turns on the UVC light and the air purifier, and then he comes here. So what we normally do is whenever we go out for more than 30 minutes, we turn on the UVC light and the air purifier. I'm just having my coffee right here. Of course, before using this mug, before using everything here in the room, we washed it, we disinfected everything. Now I'm just having my coffee, and in a while, Real and I will be joining the family. They're already swimming right there. Real is also just preparing the room to be disinfected. Again, whenever we go out, we disinfect the room using the UVC light, and we turn on the air purifier as well. Basically, when it comes to disinfecting and traveling, we disinfect everything we could using the alcohol, wipes, the spray, disinfectant sprays, and we wash everything we could. When it comes to food, because somebody asked us, what do we do with the food? How do we disinfect the food? Well, as long as it is not raw and it's cooked well, it's good to go. Everything else we disinfect. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. We might just answer your question through a vlog. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. See you in the next one. Bye! Remember, disinfect to protect.